Hey guys, welcome back to my podcast Motivation Talks with SK. So today we're going to talk about that one practice we all need to start on a daily basis to stay encouraged, to stay energetic. That is fueling our inner fire even through our very small wins. We all often wait for big achievements, right? Like promotions, recognition, or major breakthroughs. So we can feel proud of ourselves. But the truth is, it's these small wins we achieve on a daily basis that keeps our inner fire burning. Those little victories are like quiet reminders that you are moving forward. You are going ahead even when progress feels slow. Okay? Because motivation is like a flame. It doesn't need a very big spark, rather, constant little sparks also helps it to keep glowing. And those sparks come from an everyday progress. Right. Take Mira for example. She was training for a marathon but often got discouraged by how far she still had to go. It felt draining that she had a long way further to keep going. So one day, instead of focusing on the finish line, she started celebrating her small milestones, like running an extra mile, waking up early to train, or even choosing a healthy meal. Because she had understood that each small win of hers was building a momentum. Okay. What happened later? Within months, those little victories of hers turned into a huge achievement. She crossed the finish line with the utmost confidence. Okay. Because your small wins may not make headlines, which is absolutely okay, but they build habits, confidence, and consistency in life. Okay. And they remind you that you can. And that's the powerful fuel for any dream you want to achieve. So today, I want you all to pause and acknowledge your small wins. It can be as simple as finishing a task, showing up somewhere on time, or even learning something new. Because as I said, every small success is a proof that your fire is still achieving, is still staying alive. It wants to go ahead. Okay. Thanks for listening to my podcast. If this episode inspired you, share it with someone who might also need to start this practice of utilizing their everyday wins as a fuel. Okay? Until next time, keep going, keep growing, and keep fueling your inner fire, making it understand that one small win at a time with time will take you towards the success you want. Okay, this is me signing off. I'll see you in the next podcast. Bye bye from SK.